Elusive refers to something that is difficult to find, catch, achieve, or understand. It can describe a physical object like an elusive animal that is hard to spot, or an abstract concept like an elusive truth that is difficult to grasp. Some examples of how elusive can be used in a sentences. Happiness can be elusive, appearing briefly before fading into uncertainty. Scientists are still searching for the elusive cure to the rare disease. The athlete's dream of winning an Olympic gold medal seemed elusive, but he never gave up. Detectives spent years chasing the elusive criminal who always managed to slip away at the last moment. Here are some examples where the word elusive commonly used in different contexts. In scientific context, researchers often refer to elusive particles, species, or discoveries that remain undetected despite extensive efforts. In social and emotional context, happiness, love, or success can be described as elusive when they seemed hard to attain or maintain. In professional and business context, a company's elusive founder or an elusive promotion refers to something that is difficult to access or achieve. In literary and artistic context, writers and artists may describe an elusive sense of purpose or beauty that is hard to capture. In political and global context, peace, justice, or stability can be elusive in regions facing conflicts or uncertainty. Here are some synonyms and meanings for elusive: evasive, avoiding capture or detection; slippery, hard to grasp either physically or metaphorically; shifty, suggesting deceit or unpredictability; cagey, secretive or reluctant to share information; fugitive, constantly escaping or fleeting; obscure, difficult to understand or define; ambiguous, open to multiple interpretations; tricky, difficult to deal with or solve.